Hi guys, hope you all are doing amazing. So I'm going to share my monthly favorites, like the products I really enjoyed using in the month of April in this video. And if you, before you start asking what's on my lips, what's on my eyes and everything else, just check the description box. I am going to link everything there. My lipstick, my shadow color, my blush color, everything in the description box. So without wasting much time, let's just jump right into the video because I have a lot of products to show you all. Now, I don't really have too many makeup products to share that I enjoyed using in the month of April because I did not use too many makeup products, to be honest. I have just gone through my skincare and hair care stash and tried to use up whatever I had. But I still have four makeup items that I want to show you all. So let's start with the foundation. So I have recently purchased Nykaa Skin Genius foundation, and this is in the shade 2 Tan, and I am really enjoying this foundation. This is very close to MAC Face and Body, but it gives you much more coverage than MAC Face and Body, and it's less dewy. So it's a lightweight foundation and it's really good for people with dry skin. So also let me know guys if you want me to do a top foundation for dry skin, because I have been thinking of doing this video for a long time, but I don't know if you guys want to see it. If you want to see it, let me know and I'll do a top foundation for dry skin. And I really love this one. This is very good. This is what I have on my face today. So the shade is half a shade dark, but because it's half a shade dark, it's worked really well on my skin, and it just covers the gray area pigmentation and makes my skin look really beautiful. As you can see, my face is looking pretty nice and pretty even toned with this foundation on. I'm really loving this one, and this I think is for 575 rupees, and you are getting 30 ml, no fuss plastic tube, really good one. Next, I am also loving this ColourPop Hydrating Primer. This I have tried I think 3 times so far, and it's a really good one for dry skin. It hydrates your skin, it works as a moisturizer, it adds so much glow and suppleness to your skin. That's what I have on under this makeup. I'm going to put up this look on my channel, the makeup look I have going on right now, so that you guys can see what product I have used when, but it will go up after this video because April is already gone and we are here on 12th May, and this video was lagging behind, so I thought I'll finish up this video first. Then these two makeup items, apart from those two makeup items, I have only one more item left, which is this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. This is a game changer, such a phenomenal eyebrow product, I'll tell you. And I have this in the shade dark brown. Yeah, dark brown. I bought it to do my full face of makeup using the cheapest products available on Nykaa. This is under 100 rupees. If you want to watch that video, you can check out my description box. It is on my Hindi channel. I also have a Hindi channel where I also do makeup videos, recommendations, and I also do vlogs. If you're interested, go and subscribe. The content is different from here. This eyebrow pencil is what I have today, and this is such a beautiful product. It's so cheap. I think this is for 75 rupees. I don't even remember how much was it for, but it's 100, below 100, and it works phenomenally well on my brows. I have this on. So this is my third favorite from makeup. I also have this stupid toothache for the past 15 days. It comes and goes, and right now it has started again, but we'll finish this video first. Yeah, so rest everything I have is for skincare, a little bit of hair care, and bits and bobs. So let's just start with the hair care first. So I have been loving this Juicy Chemistry Bamboo Plantain and Charcoal Dry Shampoo. A lot of you asked me about dry shampoos in my hair care video, and I definitely mentioned this one because I have been using this one. This is made of your plantain powder, and this is certified organic, no preservative, talc-free, alcohol-free. So you are putting a product which is not going to harm your scalp or your hair with this one, by using this product. I wash my hair every 5 days. So if I feel like my hair is looking too limp or too a bit flat from the top, I use this one, and it really works. This is not your regular dry shampoos. Have to get a hang of it, because this is not as smooth and as finely milled as your regular dry shampoos like your Batiste or your Digi. This one will take time, but you are using good stuff on your hair, which means you'll not face hair fall issues, dandruff, dryness, nothing, because this is what I have been using for past I think 4 or 5 months now. and the mix of these two. I've already talked about these two in my hair care routine video. If you have not watched it, I'm going to link it in the card, so you can watch it on by clicking the link on the top, or I'm also going to leave it in the description box. So this is Earth Rhythm Fenugreek Tamarind Hair Serum. This is a pre-shampoo hair serum. You are supposed to apply it on your scalp before you shampoo your hair. Leave it on, you can leave it overnight or you can leave it on for 2-3 hours. I generally apply it in the morning because it smells too strong, and I apply it in the morning and wash my hair around afternoon. So I leave it in my hair for good 6 hours, 5-6 hours. And on the lens I apply the Sacha Inchi hair mask from Juicy Chemistry. This is another favorite product of mine. I have used it up already. I have only this much left. So this is like a weekly hair treatment for me at home, and this works phenomenally well for my dry hair, for overall hair growth. You can see my hair have grown, obviously because I did not get a haircut, and also because of the products I have just shown you. These products are really good for hair regrowth, and I personally really love them, and these are no harmful chemical formulations. Next product is this argan oil from Nature's Tattva. I'm sure you all know that argan oil is really good for your skin, your hair, but on my skin it generally breaks me out, so I do not apply argan oil directly on my face, but on my hair this works like a magic. This is such a beautiful product. If you have dry frizzy hair, use argan oil. This is from Nature's Tattva. This is the ingredient list says that it is 100% certified organic argan oil, and what I do, I just saturate my hair with this argan oil. This one I can apply in the night and leave it overnight because this doesn't smell like anything, and that's what I have done 2 times already, and it makes my hair so soft. After wash, my hair looks so soft, so manageable, and so lush. This is a beautiful product. We all know how good argan oil is, and this one was lying in my drawer. What I mentioned in the beginning is that I am trying to dig through my drawers, dig through my existing stash, and see what I already have, what I have not touched, what I have not used, and use them. So this lockdown has become like a detoxifying thing for my makeup drawers as well, because I have been digging into them because I do not have anything new to test out. I am testing out whatever I already have and I was left and forgotten in the drawers. So this is a really good time for testing out all the products that I already have. So this one, I think I have half a bottle left. I sometimes apply this on my daughter's hair as a hair serum. She has long hair, so this works really well in taming her hair, or otherwise I apply 100% coconut oil on her hair from Shesha Beauty, which is another beautiful product. Now that we were talking about my daughter's hair care, I thought it's the right time to pick the product. This is from Shesha Beauty. This is 100% pure extra virgin coconut oil, which you can also use for cooking. You can also use it for oil pulling. You can use it on your hair, body, and you can also use it as a baby massage oil. This is such a beautiful product. As you can see, I have already used up this much. I use this on my daughter's hair only, nothing else, because I either use the coconut oil, 100% pure coconut oil on her hair, or 100% pure almond oil. This is what I have used on her hair so far. I generally use this kind of oil, like some argan oil or a hair serum on her hair length, but on her scalp or on daily basis I use these products only. Keep it simple, and these products really work well. This is a really beautiful product from Shesha Beauty. I'm also testing out a couple of products from this brand. This is also an indie brand. We are done with the hair care stuff for the month. I'm going to just quickly dive into the skincare products I have been loving. So I have been really loving this Fiducia Botanicals Day Serum. This is a brightening and hydrating day serum, and this is actually very hydrating. I ran out of my hyaluronic acid and my skin feels really dry and wrinkly if I do not apply hyaluronic acid, because it actually holds moisture into your skin, and my skin is dry and that's why it looks dull, and I need something that can hold moisture into my skin. So this one is a beautiful product. It also has alpha arbutin, it has hyaluronic acid, it has vitamin B3, and this is such a beautiful formulation. You just need a pump of it and it just keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day. I have just this much left. The brand has kindly sent me some of their products, and I have been really loving this one and their lip balm. This is sea buckthorn and rosehip lip butter from Fiducia Botanicals only. So what rosehip does, rosehip oil actually works on uneven skin tone, darkness, pigmentation. So this lip balm is good for those who have pigmented lips. I personally haven't seen much difference in the lip pigmentation overall, but this is really good for moisturizing your lips. Again, this is a natural brand with no poo, no nasty chemicals in their formulation, so this is a good one. It's not too oily or slippery, so it works really well under your lipsticks. So those were the two products, and this product is a game changer. This is a hand and foot cream from Soul Tree, and they sent this to me before the lockdown happened. And initially I did not use it for a month, and very recently, because the weather has become really dry in Delhi, my feet from the sole, like from the bottom, were becoming really dry and crusty. Even though I wash and scrub my feet every day, they were very dry. And this cream is such a beautiful product. I use this only on my feet because this is very rich. I do not want I do not like sticky oily hands, so I don't really use it on my hands. But this is a beautiful product. Me and my husband both use this foot cream, and this is amazing. Like, I will highly recommend it. If you struggle with dry feet, this is what you should be buying. Next, I have been really loving this hydrating hyaluronic acid mask from Colourpop. This is a beautiful purple color, like lavender colored mask, or no, this is a powder blue colored mask, and it really plumps up your skin. It hydrates it really well. This is my first time trying products from their brand called Fourth Ray. This is a Colourpop sister concern, or this brand comes under the Colourpop umbrella only. This is Fourth Ray, and it was sent to me by the brand. But I really love using it on my skin. I apply generally during the night after washing my face. I apply a very thin layer of it on my skin, leave it on for half an hour or 1 hour, and then just wipe it off. It makes my skin really smooth, makes my skin really soft. Wonderful product. Colourpop ships to India, you can try it. Then here is another product that I have been loving and have only 1/4 of it left. This is Vibe BP Plant Remedy Facial Oil. So I bought it when they launched initially, I think 6 months ago, but I never used it. It was just sitting in my drawer. But very recently I've started using it. I have just minimized my nighttime skincare routine. Initially there were like 4 or 5 products, but right now I'm using only 3 products. So if you're interested, I can show you what 3 products I'm using. If you're interested in my updated skincare routine, let me know, because I have cut down on a lot of products and I'm just using 2 products in the morning and 2 products in the night, that's all. What I do, I generally mix it with my sleeping mask from Innisfree, which is really good for hydrating, and this is really good for moisturizing. I just mix the two and apply a very thin layer on my face and then massage it into my skin, and it makes your skin so supple, so smooth, and you wake up with a very beautiful bouncy skin in the morning. So this is worth all the money. This is quite expensive. I think this is for 2200 or 2300, but this is 100% pure plant oil, and very good investment if you struggle with dry skin, dry patchy skin. This is a game changer. I bought it myself, so this was worth spending money on, to be honest. Next, I'm loving this solid deodorant from Vilva. This is also an old product, but I've recently started using it again. I use it every day after taking a bath, and this smells so good. There is a mix of rose and vanilla, so this smell is not too intense, but it has a very beautiful, this delicate scent which lingers on for a really long time. I will not say that it stays on for whole day long, but this definitely stays on for good 4 or 5 hours on me. And this is such a beautiful product, you know. It's a solid deodorant, and it's such a small tub. You can just throw it in your bag if you're working, and you can use it during the day. Even if you're going to college, this is a really good one. This is for 290 rupees, and this is going to last me a really long time, even if I use it daily, because it is in the solid form. It's not evaporating or anything. So Vilva is again a natural brand, an indie brand, and this product is worth your money. Very beautiful. Next, I have been using this Aqua Shot cream from Iba. I have started using it recently because my skin is dry, but I don't like to put heavy moisturizers on my face during the day because my skin gets breakouts very easily, and I don't like it to sweat, because whenever I put anything too heavy, it starts sweating. So this one is perfect if you have dry skin, oily skin, combination skin. This is going to work on every skin type. The formula is like gel. This is a vegan cruelty free brand, and the product is really good. I think this is for $5.99, and you are getting 50 ml. I think this is 50 ml. Yes, this is 50 ml. So you're getting a lot of product, and this is going to last you a really long time. And this has a very beautiful gel water-like consistency. Just apply it on your face, and it will just vanish and hydrate your skin for a really long time. Beautiful product. Do give a shot. So those was all the products that I have been loving for the past 1.5 months, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know the video is a bit too long, but I really wanted to give you a bit of idea about all the products and why I love them and why I have been using them. So I'm going to link all the products in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. And if you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.